Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warrior LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warrior LTV. Keep it locked.
I'm gonna tell you. We, as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? Set the bar for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this shit.
We live good. Even if you see we there kill one another, we live good. Yeah, then people might think.
Yes, sir. Brothers and sisters, greetings in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I, and all things good and wonderful amongst us and about us. Welcome viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe and grow the platform. Don't know, it would be nice. See? Now, we have a video here with the Clarendon killer. The youth were killed, the the family, Piece Clarendon. We have a video here with him being interrogated somewhat, or examined, medically examined, seen, and things like that. So we're going to play the video so that the eye can see it, and then we jump in at the concern them surrounding a video like that, you know? Given the magnitude of the crime, such a high profile thing, and then we can start something there. And how wicked it was. Seen? So I could take in the video and then a reason after. My name is Dr. Cook. I'm a medical doctor and a justice of the peace. With me, Justice Clunis and two other justices, Justice Jordan Simpson. We're here to protect your rights. We're here to listen to you to ensure that any claims you have about your rights being breached are addressed. Yes? You need to tell me the challenges that you have had since you've been in the cell.
Yeah, you know, most definitely. It's just that what my report still, like whenever I talk to the police and the police them about the pain I have in my waist and my so none of them now they listen to me.
And this pain is not a pain that is new since you have been in lockup. You have had this pain before?
Yeah, before.
Were you seeing a doctor for this pain before?
No.
And why is that?
Whenever I take it that serious still, but it keep on and off with me.
Okay, alright. Now, I want to ask you, have you been hit by any police officer since you have been in this lockup?
No, I never been hit by none of them still, but only check me so them keep me in the button and stuff, yeah.
You have been threatened,
yeah,
but you have not been hit.
No, never.
So there is no place on your body where you would have any evidence of being hit.
No.
Say again.
No hit.
Police have not hit you.
No.
Okay. So you have had a pain before. You weren't taking it seriously, and you're now saying to the police officers that you have this pain that you have is still there. Yes?
Yeah, definitely.
You didn't seek medical attention for it before this incident.
No.
And you had it prior to this incident.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay. So there's no reason or need for you to show me anywhere on your person because you have not been hit. Or is there a reason to show me?
No, never been hit. It's just that, like, I hear someone definitely I feel pain around here, so, but never been beaten or none of that.
This pain is a pain that you've had before you came to lockup.
Yeah, before.
Okay. Does this pain cause you to have, does it run down that leg? Does it cause your foot to hurt you?
Yeah, like the foot carry the stretch out away.
Okay.
But most of all, I just upper them places, the waist.
Upper them place here, you have to tell me what the place is.
The waist. Like
Your waist. Okay.
Yeah.
Have you been hit by any prisoners?
No.
You have not been hit by any prisoners?
Not been hit by any prisoners.
Okay.
Okay, so Mr. Barnett, as I spoke to you yesterday and I told you that We're going to get pictures. Yesterday I took some pictures, but I've now been instructed for you to, we're to take pictures of everywhere while Dr. Cook examines you. The only place you're not going to be taking is your genital area. But your back, your arms, your legs, all of that will be photographed. Do you have a problem with that? No. Okay. So kindly remove your shirts. You need to the handcuff. You have the key, officer. Can I get the handcuff key, please? Can somebody ask this gentleman? This gentleman is in this area.
Sorry,
He's not in this area, sir. Need the handcuff key. Put the handcuff. Officer, put the handcuff.
What's your
So the two officers are here, and the handcuff will be taken off, and we will be. You have to come out on the line of sight. You. So me no, not him. So Dr. Cook, Mr. Barnett is going to be taking off his shirt first. Officer, can you go down in the corner there? No, come this side. Let me come this side. You go that side. Yeah. Please take off his shirt.
No, this is no doubt a serious crime. I mean, it wouldn't say at the first, but it's like a big thing this with the Caribbean, you know, really see I hear them things happen every 5 years or every 10 years and them way there. You know, see it. So with the concern we show regarding this, the amount of people were hurt and the amount of pain that them feel and things like that. We don't want to say popular like it's a good term. We don't want to use a celebratory term regarding how much highlight the act I get. You know, see, but again, we don't want to know say police and public officials them use it as PR prop or anything like that, you know. And concerned about really about the result of what go on in at the end because the people them forget justice. You know, see, and this look like a damn PR prop to me. Like some boy just want to come and with famous so them use one of the most efficient tagline or storyline, which is the same youth here, and then use him in a video, forget themselves broadcast and shown publicly. Like nobody never see them before, Rasta. That's how the only thing me say happen there. So what the necessity for show a video like that publicly, even before the investigation process complete? You know, see, normally, usually everywhere else in the world or anywhere else, you see them thing that happen. You don't see them video there until after trial complete and all of them thing there. Only the judge and whosoever involved surrounding the case, the trial, like the jury, the prosecution, the lawyer and them thing there. Only them people see them video there, I see them process there happen before the case finalized. And if it's a case where the culprit get found not guilty or anything like that, all of them video are just going to storage or dash away. You understand what I say? This is not the hope or the expectation at this point. But we are trying to cover all of them bases and them go on there and make the police them know. So watch out. Act professional. We make all of the people them surrounding the issue know so them for act professional. That's not acceptable, Rasta. How can I eat that petty move that? Like a mix up on the depan corner with a lavish fractal lap and all them sort of thing there. And that attitude do not take with this investigation, Rasta. We're not having that pierce the heart, Rasta. When you see the callousness with which you approach this thing here, like it's all about, oh no, you know see, the eye them figure the pain of the people them, Rasta, with them still feel this day. You not show a boy in a public pan video, well healthy and alright. I tell you how much I live 5-star life in a jail. The people them can't feel good about that, Rasta. But the concern there for the people them, for the family and friends them. Well, the concern for them people there, this triggering. This going to trigger a whole lot of emotions, and when the people them see that boy and move around like that. You know, see it? Beer and professionalism and go on this Rasta. And the maddest thing about it is that some simple action where them take or didn't take can affect the result of the case, can affect the result of the trial, and them do it and it happen all the while. See Vibes Cartel case there, it still looks shady, like that not look like say it will get a successful, I mean, they will get a successful conviction at the appeal, Rasta. You don't see it. No disrespect. As so Jamaica deal with issues, especially high profile issue like this. You know, you deal with it like so well then. It's a joke thing, a partner through and partner draw on our work and around the corner, Rasta. Eh? It's like in every facet of Jamaica's existence, Rasta. The authority figure them just make up for them own rules and do for them thing at the way of how it benefit them. You know, see it. It's like an ego trip with our people, them Rasta. Hence the reason why you can't find out ending sight for them thing here. You know, how much little boy you know see that as a promotional prop. Eh? You know, so I stop calling all them name and all the video about them and them crime and this Rasta. Because I realize that them enjoy them thing there. Them thing there is part of the reward for them action, Rasta. You don't see it, you don't pick up on it yet. Eh? Man, all call blogger on the spot media and I tell on the spot media say no love how him represent him boss, him should have stayed better. And all them thing there. Nobody should not represent the boss, none at all for media, Rasta. You see it? These things and places like these are places where successful criminals abide to the best of them ability. You don't see it? Yet still our authority people them are going like them not realize them thing. What kind of measures of deterrent apply to this whole criminal phenomenon we take over the island, Rasta? What sort of imagination use to challenge this? Eh? You think of Tony Brown and Kappa them fighting at the 80s? Them man they did have principle. Them man they did have cause. I want to know that to Rasta. You know, see the youth them cars, that's the only cars the youth them have nowadays, a publicity. You know, have clown a parade like it's a circus. You think this thing is going to be a circus? You think you can go coke a piece, go tell the people at Clarendon and say, you know, make a little folly mistake in our investigation and that's why this and that are any unfortunate happen. And because you know, so you can overlook them infractions here and still create a conviction in a few no mind and think it's successful. You know, see it? And when criminals like them appeal to the Privy Council now, them get to it because the standard does not match. And issues like them are why we're not interested to get rid of the Privy Council and the Queen and them sort of something there because attitude and actions like them on the want to take. Don't do nothing and get good results in the end and get the best result. Them things are not work, Rasta. Them things are unacceptable, Rasta. From professionals. Whoever you know are, man. Whoever which part of our society you come from, Rasta. This is a disgrace, Aya. You see, it come like it's a promotional thing. Like, you know, expect to go up on a job interview somewhere else and you want to know, say, you want to have video document on yourself, apply, you know, craft to the case here. You see, so you can use it as a reference part on a CV later to get a job and all them things there. Where that far a while ago? What that we just watch a while ago, Rasta? Eh? What that? Look for a thing like that where the guy do. Easy. In any case, Rasta, this never happened before. Why a guy feel like so with that jaja? Why a guy or girl? I go feel like say, let me forget viral or hype off a case like this. Eh? Why anybody are gonna say opportunity in a blood? And that them vampire are just doing a Rasta. But they can't tell me nothing, you know. The cure them make it look like say have a clarity or whatever. We don't need no clarity. The court alone need clarity at this point about this boy. We don't want to win no support. Hey! How them people are just the Rasta? And look like them all forget what we did too. Because I know, I don't hear nobody. I lick out and I say, what that? Like the media house them, the gleaner them show it, everybody show it, but yet still what? I mean, I critique them for come under heavy criticism for things like them, Rasta. I see them where them have Vibes Cartel phone in a custody and go use it, send text, make call and all them sort of. like we just feel like so our standard. It's like from we get a conviction whether it's successful or not. It's, you know, accept. Yo, them people should have wake up this morning with picket at them fence and them not have no job. Them not have no job in the capacity. You know, see it? Them should have wake up this morning, the people out of them gate, the family, out of them gate. I want to do a check the people them case because we know say, another boy, we not do that for. We know say I don't feel benefited out do that for. We not do that for the benefit of the victim and the family, Rasta. I don't own self, we not do that for. We don't own self. How that makes sense, Rasta? Eh? I want to publish it on a private video account like so well then is a joke. Eh? How Jamaica people go answer? How our professional them go answer? And them are the first one for go around and blame ghetto people, say that them a cause crime. A poor youth, a struck when not be an example. You know, see it, you get an opportunity to set an example and uno be the one for discharge the opportunity, Rasta, for corrode the opportunity. Eh? I want to know, I'm supposed to know better, but just want to own self-grandization. Just for the own self. Just for the own self, Rasta. When you go live within the self in a video chat, bull crap. I ask some like a full question where, you know, what the relevance of that now? What the relevance of bringing this public? Eh? I want to sound in the video, I want to sound intelligent, like when I ask anything relevant to anybody out here, interest, to the public interest. Oh, I know that, Rasta. Eh? If a guy get beaten, there's gonna be medical evidence or physical evidence to show. See them, I say him not get none. Which is another heartbreaking revelation to I this man in Rasta when I realize Jamaican prisoner them not have no standard. Them lost the standard where them did have before. There used to be standards. I tell you that as much as them a jail them there in a prison. You know, charge for certain things and come live amongst man. The moment you drop in there, you charge for your boy, charge your boy. And I just saw. And that treatment they get all the way, Rasta. You see it? And him attack, him should have, you know, we don't accept that in a prisoner. Not like that, Rasta. We not deal it. Eh? Have a thing around the thing like so well then it's a holiday camp. You know see it? A holiday camp return now. It's like it's a horde house for all manner of deviants come congregate and create and plan and prepare for the next most violent and evil action out the road. You know see, no longer man no got them place to go reflect on them action and see where them could have did do or not do to make themselves not be here. You know see. If a man them drop in there, them just see that as an advancement on them life because it's less likely them all lose them 3 points. So a holiday camp really, you know, essentially, at least to the psychology where you know if you're worry and a fret and a look over your shoulder for, you know, or even a stray bullet, Rasta. You know, see, we can't, you know, when the jailer them break, we are two. Yeah, what that? No matter how where a boy come from, how big and fat or thicker guys, and no matter how long we in there hungry and suffer, you know, come here, come tell me nothing, you know. You know, see, we climb up higher like zombie, and the whole of we just, yeah. You know, see, and I hate that. Place red when we're done. You know, see, I understand them, be a slip and slide. We don't accept them thing there. That's that. You know, see, it's weak in the cars. You know, see, remember in a youth and youth, one day something will happen to Uno where Uno need people to stand up for Uno as wicked as Uno is to, you know. You know, see, one day Uno need poor people to say, well, wait, them youth are not totally heartless and don't mean we no good at all whatsoever. Them youth just still have a standard or a little grey area where them no expect to go with we. You know, see, it's not a anything goes society with them youth, yeah. I saw it appear here now, Rasta. You know, see, guy come and talk about him in a jail and no, jailers still used to have them footprint to them use whatever opportunity them get. To show society say them still care. But at least care about the things them where them care about, Rasta. They might not care about everything, but you know, at least them care about the things them where them care about. Still care about the things them where them always are used to care about. Them mother, them father, them family, them know so them they are bridge prison and have a family that they are woman and children in a bed by themselves when night come and them way. They can't like this could have did play. You know see it? Every man, woman and children no say card like them I could have did play upon them. So them get an opportunity to deal with a careless craft like this, them deal with it mad. You know see it? Yes, Rasta. We can't, it's unacceptable higher. It's unacceptable higher. You know see, professional them have to deal with the issue, this now, this will benefit the eye them. I like a viral, I got benefit, because you don't know the seriousness, you don't know the attention where the case attract. As soon as you put up a headline with a guy and name or anything regarding the crime, vroom, and see there. But that's all the reason why you don't do that, you know. You don't do that to clarify nothing or clear no here. Because somebody no need who interested in if boy get beaten. The most thing we're glad say him there jail and right now we are open and pray say the authority them follow the exact proper procedure. We need to convict this boy and send him away for the rest of him days, Rasta. You know see, that's all we there Fred pan and hope fingers crossed. And then wake up this morning and see a video like this. Girl and boy I try to go viral and not care about the people them. Rasta, we don't do that with the interest of justice now, you know, on the mind, Rasta. We don't corrupt, we don't dirty and petty. Of either thing that Rasta, it's not acceptable. You know, see it? A petty boy business that. And when people claim so in authority, we learn the professional and them sort of thing, the Rasta. We not say the examination nothing go on. We not say the video nothing make. We are say it nothing go public. It's not supposed to leak and go public, and that's not a leak now, you know, Rasta. Somebody deliberately do that. You know, see, every video they for make them publicize evidence before judge see it, Rasta. This is a part of the trial. No, this, you know, this guy I can't go say him no, Janu, you know what happened. We still are going to hope for the best, you know. You know, see, we still are going to hope for the best. This might not be as damaging as some other action could have been. You know, see, but we are making sure shout it out now from now, say, hey, you know, climb off of the coat tail here and stop putting yourself in the fixture like so well then. You know, face no suffering or you do not have no intention to prevent suffering like them here, Rasta. You know, we'll try to get notice and I try to make people so know. So a long time friend want to disrespect from long time or some people will never respect you because of attitude like them. Yeah. When I try to prove to them now so they exist and when somebody soon viral yeah, so people are look pound here. You know see it? And that you just do a while ago, Rasta. None of that wasn't in the interest of justice. And I give thanks, you know, Rastafari.